Hello, traders. Today is Friday and it is June 20th. This is my analysis for the US dollar index. So, on the US dollar index 1 hour time frame, I've been talking about how this could be either a running or an expanding. If it is a running, then the 100%, the 90, or the 78 would be my Fibonacci targets. We definitely have a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. We definitely have a very nice impulsive move down. If this goes down and breaks this low right here, I think it confirms that this really is the end of an ABC correction. Looking at some of the dollar pairs for correlation, I mean, it does look like a wave C is possibly over. If the wave C is possibly over, then it will very, very likely go down, break structure, make a few pullbacks along the way, and just continue to make lower lows, lower highs, ending this running A, B, and C correction. So if the dollar is going to be going down, then you would have to be trading the dollar pairs according to the direction of the dollar index. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.